In this video, we're gonna take a look at ZCAL and Calendly to see which appointment scheduling software is better. So here we are on ZCAL. As you can see, they have unlimited links, unlimited calendars, free forever. So if we go to the pricing, we can see that it's completely free. And as you can see, they don't have ads. You can embed it on your website. They also offer a pro plan, which is $9.5 per month, which is nothing. Then we have Calendly, which is more popular and has more features. But if we take at the pricing, it's basically the same. But the only catch is that for scheduling, you only have one event type. You can connect only one calendar, and here you have other features. But if you want to have basically everything unlimited, you're gonna have to simply pay for $12 per month. Now, if you don't want to spend money, I suggest you to go with the free plan of ZCAL. But if you have $12 and it's worth it for your business, I suggest you to go with Calendly because it has more features and overall is a better product. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.